Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Ferry Productions video. Today I have a 2008 Toyota Yaris and I'm going to show you the locations of each of the bulbs on the rear clusters. So of course we come to the rear of the vehicle, open up the boot fully. You will notice I have removed the parcel shelf and put the seat forward. You don't have to do this, although the parcel shelf does get in the way. Now either side, left and right, you have a grille. This is actually where the bulbs are housed. So I'm going to do the one over the right hand side of the vehicle. Just jump into the boot, get something like a key, pop that in the top, pull down, excuse the sunlight, and that will actually expose the rear carriers of the bulbs there. You've got two bulbs on one carrier. What you do, just at the top there, you lift that up. You'll notice that actually rocks forward, hard to do with one hand, so I won't take it out. But there's also a bulb tucked just up there, which is probably the hardest one to get to. And then there is also one just up the top there, which you can get two fingers in and just turn and that'll pop out. So that's the locations where all the bulbs are. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.